makes an arch.
Right.
Okay, that's the aortic arch. So ascending, descending aorta, and then that's your brachiocephalic. It branches into the common carotids. Do you see that going up there? The right and left, the subclavian. Okay, the subclavian. We have only one brachiocephalic on the right for the arteries. There is no left brachiocephalic. The subclavian. Then it becomes. What is the next section?
Carotids?
No, it's.
Or I'm sorry.
What comes after subclavian?
Brachial.
No.
Sorry,
The
Axial.
axillary.
Auxiliary.
Then brachial. You cannot skip your armpit before you get to the arm. Okay. So the brachial is down here when it goes into the arm. Okay. And then let's look at the comparable veins. You see the vena cava coming up here, and you can see the two brachiocephalics. Before that, there is one branch. The first branch is going to be called azygous vein. You'll see that in the book. And then most of the branches are the same, like the arteries. Okay. Then let's look at the finer branches. So you should have from the subclavian, you should have one internal mammary that should be going here. I don't know if it's cut off. How many branches we have from the subclavian? You have internal mammary, vertebral. What else? Costocervical, thyrocervical. Okay. So you should find 4 branches. Okay. There's 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. And then from the axillary, you should have the long thoracic, ventral thoracic, long thoracic, and subscapular. Subscapular will be going back here. Over here. Okay. So you have to have your study guide with you and look carefully and spend more time. Okay. It's hard for me to quickly go over the arteries, and I don't want to give the wrong names. You have to spend some time with it. And down here, this is your descending aorta coming down. Okay. Over here.
Oh, it's a descending aorta?
Yeah. And then we have pulled all the organs this side. So in the picture I put it that way. The celiac trunk, you remember? Then the hepatic, gastric, splenic. So now it should be this way, like in the picture, but I pulled it over this side. So here you can see the celiac trunk coming, and then you have the gastrics going here, the hepatic is going here, but it's going through the mesenteries and all to the liver on the other side, up there. Okay, you can't trace it all the way back there, but you can see the branching. There are 2 branches that go to the stomach, and then you have one going to the spleen. Okay, and then that's your kidney, and so you can see the superior mesenteric, and if you can find the light, you'll see one going here, one going here. That's to the adrenal gland, to the renal. Then you have the inferior mesenteric going to the lower portion of the intestine. The iliolumbar, you see that? Iliolumbar. That's your spermatic or ovarian. And then if you move this a little bit, you can see here nicely the external internal ilia. Can you see the 2 inverted V-shaped structure there?
Yeah.
external iliac, internal iliac. Caudal is deep inside where I'm pointing. You have to actually come and look from this angle. Right there where I'm pointing inside. That's your caudal artery. And this is your vena cava, the inferior vena cava. And those are your jugular veins, external, internal, up there under the jaw. You'll have the transverse jugular, facial goes inside. In here, let's come back to the external iliac. It branches as the femoral and deep femoral. And then you get three branches, the one going inside, this is going this way, and this is going down. So superior articular, popliteal, and saphenous.
Very cool.
Okay. While you are waiting, if you want, you can watch your video or look up the books, and then we will have some more time. You can spend some more time to look at it closely.